Hello, good day, students. Today I'll be sharing with you very briefly on how to simple steps to taking your test and quiz on Microsoft's Office platform. Now, the first thing you need to do is get your test link from your lecturer before the test. Please don't forget, get your test link from your lecturer at least 2 days before the test. Now, the reason is so you can test the link and make sure it opens uh, a right page for you. It will either open a page for you and tell you the test is not available. So once you get a link, assuming you get a link that is like this, first thing first, get the link, open your browser, and log in to your Microsoft Office. Now, if you paste the link on your browser, it will prompt you to log in to your account. Now, if it's giving you somebody else's login or giving somebody else to log in, that means you're not on the right thing, on the right page. So it will prompt you to log in to your Microsoft account. So log into your Microsoft account and the test will open. So assuming this is your account, as soon as you log in, you'll have access to the test. If the test is already open for to be taken on that day. Now, if the test is closed or the time of the test has not come, it will not open the test for you. So we'll go through answering a prototype set of questions that you most likely encounter in your exams or your test. Now, you have multiple choice questions. So if you log in correctly, it should show your name at the top to say, hi, your first name. And the instruction is when you submit this form, the owner will be able to see your name and email address. Now, for all your tests and exams, you have only one attempt. Now, because you have one attempt, you should try as much as possible to get ready before the test. Now, the times cannot be extended. If the time is 1 hour and you come in 15 minutes late, that means you have 45 minutes to take your test. So I'll advise and plead with you, log in to your browser at least an hour or even an hour before your test, 15 minutes before your test, and you are there waiting. Just log in. So once you log in, you have questions like this. Seek the correct answer and move on. Any question that is asterisk read is compulsory. And most of the questions are asterisk read so that you can remember to take the question. And if there's something you cannot pronounce, the screen reader can read for you. But rather than using screen reader in the hall, it will take your time. So skip it. Just take the test, take the correct answer and move to the next one. Sorry, I think I've been logged out. Let me go forward. I think I've been logged out. Okay, I'm back. So select select your option, move to the next question. Now, the first question was a multiple choice question where you can pick just one answer. The second kind of question is a multiple choice question where you can pick two or more answers. Now, this is saying which of this is true. I'm either male or female, which is true. Everybody is either male or female. Nigeria is a country, which is true. Lagos is a village, is not true. I'm either male or female. This is false. Either male or female is true. So you have this, move to the next one. Now, the next question is more like an essay, a long answer question. So you look at the entry box. The entry box looks like this. So it's bigger, wider than the next one in question 4. So question 4 is a single answer kind of question. This is an essay, so that means you need to write a couple of things inside. Just type a couple of things that will be graded by your lecturer. Now, the next one is a single answer or single phrase response. Like, what is the name of the town where Bells University is situated? It could be Otta. Let's say we have Otta, or Songo Otta. So this could be your answer. Then you could have questions that look like this. What is the name of the insect in the picture? This is also a single kind of answer. It's cockroach. Is a cockroach. How do you spell cockroach? C-O-C-K. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H. Cockroach. Question 5, simplify. Now, for simplifying, you have an option here to pick the correct answer. You can pick an option, which option you feel is right. So our correct answer is x plus 2, x minus 2. The next question, you need to enter the correct answer. Now, you don't have an option. You need to do a calculation and enter the correct answer. Now, in entering this is a math equation. So when you click on the math equation, it populates, shows you an equation editor. So your equation editor looks like this. So with your equation editor, if the answer is 2x squared plus 1, for instance, you can put 2, type x on your keyboard, and you have the square symbol, x squared, plus 1, say plus 1. So this is what we have. And if it's going to have, if it has a fraction, let's say we're adding a fraction, plus 1 minus, let's say, 3x over 4y, let's just assume, 3x over 4y, that's a fraction, so we have 3x at the top, 3x at the top, down arrow, 4y, so this is how you answer, and you okay, so it takes this as your answer. Now the next one is an order kind of question. Arrange the months in the right order. So you drag, use your finger to drag, January, February 1st, April next, June, then December. So you can drag to wherever you feel the correct answer should be. So this is the right order. And after finishing that section, move to the next section, click next. Now question 1 needs to be completed. So that means we didn't answer question 1. Where's question 1? You see, we didn't write anything here, so we can just type something here. So we can come back and go to the next section. Now the next section says, I understand this course very well. Your answer is either yes, really can't tell, or no. So pick whatever is applicable to you. It can be no, but you can only pick one per time for any of the questions. Then how will you prefer to take your next test? Moodle, Classroom, Microsoft 365. I know many of you will say Classroom because you've missed school, but for now, just pick your choice. I will prefer this. Now, kindly rate the lecturer. So rate me 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star. I give myself a 5-star. So when this is done, simply submit. Now, when you submit, please, whether your lecturer gives you the link where you check back to view your results or not, the same link you use to take the test, save it very well. Just keep it very well. It's the same link you use to view your results. Now, I'll show you how you view your results after it has been graded. When your results has been graded, just come again with the same link as if you are coming to take your test. But because you've already taken the test, once you put the link in the address bar or the URL bar and click enter, it displays your answer and your scores. So that is all. And I hope this is helpful. Thank you.